I'm sure everybody's been through this before, once or twice. That's kind of why I do not buy expensive cordless drills, because I've heard too many bad stories. I got this old Ultocraft that came from Menards. Yeah, this is probably from 10 or 15 years ago. Actually, no, it had a date on it that was 2012 or something. Can't find the battery. They don't sell it no more. Newer version of the Ultocraft, which is a lot the same of a lot of other drills. This. I acquired this recently. It's kind of cool. It's an old Panasonic drill. 15.6 volt. That was bull junk that they sold me this stuff off K-Bid without battery packs, or someone went through that stuff before I got there. That pisses me off. Here is the auction website. I looked at one of my old invoices here. What does it say? Look, batteries. Looking at the picture a little closer, there is no picture of the batteries, but it describes batteries. I guess I only did pay $8. Only reason it works, or as battery, is because I bought it. Found this one on eBay's, put the part numbers in and all that. It was a gamble, but hey, it works. I haven't tested it out yet in real world, but isn't that funny how the colors are the same too? They're like almost the same shades. Nothing's probably 5-10 years older, who knows. I think I paid 33 bucks for the battery. It's supposed to be like a 3.5 amp hour battery. Guess I paid $34.89. What the brand is? What is it? Kriabest. Weird name. Probably Chinese. The only reason I jumped on this thing was because I use Panasonic cameras for videotaping, and I've been so happy with them. Anyways, I actually had good luck with these cheap ones from Menards. Like this one, I think I bought in 2010 or 2011. The thing actually still worked really good until like last year and a half ago. And I finally figured out why, because the charger stopped working. So, I kind of got some stuff rigged up here. I'm kind of charging it. It's 18 volts, so I'm charging it off of a newer 18 volt from the same brand. But the problem with that is too, that battery's gone dead. So we got a little bit of hope here. You know, it's all ticking, making a weird sound, but for like an hour there, I get my voltmeter out, see what's really going on. I found this old Coleman battery. This actually a whole unit on the side of the road, like 10, 15, probably closer to 15 years ago. I used to ride my bike a lot more back then. That's an 18 volt too. Mind you, all these are 18 volts. Measured this. I've been sitting in the basement in my house for, I think I tried to charge it one time before, but with a different charger, and it worked a little bit, but anyways, when I got to it, it was like 5 volts. I charged it up with this charger from the Ultocraft. Got these little leads. I think I got these out of an old washing machine. No, I think it was actually an electric cook stove top. I hooked it up because obviously the connections are different. Like this won't go into that, right? Like the cool thing about that stuff is recycle their stuff. If you got your old appliances, open it up a little bit. You can get all this stuff. It's got really secure connections. If you can make connection that tight from factory, I mean that's awesome. Plug right in there. That's crazy, right? You can charge through a charger, because that one charger stopped working on this one. This one won't even charge no more. The charger for that, it don't work no more. I tested it and I tested it. It stopped working, so I guess I just gotta junk it. I hate junking stuff. Let's see where these batteries are at. 6 volts. That one's pooched. So surprised about this one. Like, it looks like it was used a lot too. Old Coleman battery. It was at like 5 volts, but it sat in my basement for like 5 or 10 years. I charged it up just last night. And my big thing about this kind of stuff, old stuff is better than new stuff because they keep making new stuff cheaper and cheaper. Still at 20 volt. Look at that. You see that? 20.2 volt. It's an 18 volt battery. It's like a brand new. Apparently Coleman put good quality into their batteries. No, anyway. These are all 18 volt batteries. The only thing I have this is flashlight. Eventually I might just take these cells out, rebuild the packs for one of my older ones. If you look at these, they actually do make it easy for you to work on it. Positive and negatives. See that? I'm not saying you should do this. I'm just showing you what I did. Probably don't do this. No. Look at that. That's a brand new battery from Walmart. Oh, it's at 18 volts. I did a lot of research and it looks like it should work in this Autocraft drill. This one right here. So why is there 2 extra tabs in the middle? That confuses me. I know one is for like lithium batteries so they don't explode or something. Yeah, it's lithium. But this should work in that one if you ask me. I just gotta take these off. I just gotta grind them off. I get my grinder out. I think it'll fit. I'm gonna cut the stuff off it, the plastic, see if she plugs in. They're so similar. See, she fits. Fit. Oh, she fits. I knew it was gonna work. Yeah! Yeah! I knew it was gonna work!